Hi guys, just came in from using this Insoma digital water timer for the first time in the backyard. So here you can see this thing, really nice, beautiful, modern, sturdy, absolutely awesome thing. Comes with everything what we need to attach it to normal 3/4 inch hose. Even has an adapter for a quick release. This is the version with one outlet, and we have only 2 buttons. We can control everything with just 2 buttons, so we can easily program it for recurring watering from 1 hour up to 7 days interval. But on top of that, it has also a manual watering, so you can leave your automatic watering active and still can use it manually in between. And it has been working absolutely awesome right from the beginning. Absolutely no leaks or any other problems. Of course, for outdoor it's fully water protected, also UV protected. Really nice thing. So I'm going to show you everything what you get in the box, how to set it up, and then how to use it outside. And so we have the box here with some description, so you can see some of the specs, and here some application and also detailed specs. So let's open, see what we get. So here we are, everything nicely protected. And so here we have this beautiful device, I would say definitely nicely built. Then we get this Teflon tape. If you have some leaking, you can use that. And so on top we have the standard 3/4 inch adapter, even with a built-in strainer. Just make sure that you are not using a pressure release valve with a sharp tip here on this nice strainer, otherwise it would destroy it. That would be really a bad thing. It's really nice to have this, but we get also these 2 adapters, and so we could, for example, attach this one here for this quick release. That's also something which a lot of people are using, so we have all the options. Or we could use this adapter here on top to make it compatible with 1/2 inch faucets. So this is super flexible for all the situations. And so here we get the instructions manual. It's just a couple of pages. Could be really interesting to see everything. I hope it's focusing nicely so you can read and see everything. Maybe this can help you. Now we are getting already close to the end of it. I think that's the last 2 pages. Yeah, one more here. We are finished. Yeah, we can see also that we have already nice seals in place. We have one here, we have one here on top, and we have one here already in place. So you don't have to be worried about buying additional seals. And to add the batteries, we have to squeeze here from the back, pull it out. And so we need 2 AA batteries only. Put them here inside. And so we have the metallic pins here on this side and inside here. So make sure that you are inserting it the right way. By the way, it has some nice protection also if you want to push it in wrong way. So we just push it here hard inside. You can see it has really nice holes, also really nice protect against water, and super sturdy, the whole thing. And so we have to do some settings. So we click on set menu, and so we have the choice of 12-hour or 24-hour setting. So you can just turn this wheel here 12-hour, and so we turn here a little bit and it will go to 24 hours if you want that. But here I'm choosing 12 hours. We confirm with OK. Then we set the current time, the hours and minutes. And when it's set, you click down here. So we can already set a start time of the timer. So for example, during the night, 3 o'clock in the morning, sounds pretty good. But of course, make sure that you are following the local rules if you have some. Press OK as well. Then we click on set. Then we have to set how long we want the water to be running. Let's say we want 1 hour. Click again. Minutes. Click again. Hit set again. And now we have to set how often we want to water it, and that's a really interesting function here because we can choose from every hour up to 7 days. So here we have, for example, every 10 hours or every 20 hours. But when we rotate even more, it will automatically switch to days. So we can have it, for example, every 3 days. You can see maximum is 7 days. So you can, for example, go with 3 days to confirm we hit the set again. And so we're back in the normal menu where it's showing if it's on automatic mode. So in this mode, it will water automatically, and it will water automatically in 3 days. So here we can see the current time, and here we can see when we have the next automatic watering. Pretty cool. We can also see the battery indicator. New batteries can last up to 8 months. After 30 seconds, the screen will turn off automatically, but we can just push here and have it back. If you want to stop the automatic watering, you can just push here and you can see it goes into off. If it's off and we want to have the timer working again, we have to click here and confirm all the settings. I mean, it's a very short thing. Just takes 2 seconds or so and we are back in the normal settings. Looks maybe a bit complicated at the beginning, but I think it's a good idea to check the settings so you know what you're actually activating. So definitely no issue from my side. If you want to have manual watering, we have to be in the automatic mode, and then we press for 3 seconds. And then we can choose for how long we want to run it. You can see the maximum is up to 99 minutes manual watering, and then it will go back to 1 minute. And now to start the water, we press the OK again. And now you heard the clicking noise, which opened the gate for the water. And when you want to stop it, of course, you can always stop it on the faucet itself, but you can also stop it here just by clicking and it will stop. And we have also a rain delay. Of course, it's not an automatic rain delay. It doesn't have any water sensor or so, but this is also usually only an option with some fully installed irrigation system. So here it's working exactly the same way. So we long press here on the OK button and it will go into the delay. So you can see we can delay the automatic watering maximum up to 7 days, depending on how much it has been raining. And we hit the OK again, and we don't have to do anything else. So it will show now the delay in days counting down, and only when it's down to 0, after that it will show the next watering day again. So I would say very easy to use. It's a really good solid build. Everything what we need comes also with this really nice large display, which is pretty easy to see. Of course, doesn't have background illumination, but I think it's pretty easy to see, and I love this 2-button system. No more dealing with so many different functions. We just have these 2 buttons. We can do everything from here, and you don't have to remember a lot of functions. Pretty much everything is self-explaining. So a really good device. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.